Hey everyone, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. It has been a while, so here I am back. We're going to do another Empties, which was one of my last videos, so hopefully you all don't mind. And as always, I will total what all of these products are worth down in the description box below. Might not be exactly what I paid for them, but it gives you an idea on how much I'm going through, which is great. I did throw a couple declutter stuff in here, so I'll remove those because I don't really want to count them. But I did go through the Function of Beauty Wavy Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. I love this stuff. I did get 3 of the little shots. Not sure which ones those were, but love that shampoo and conditioner. It ends up being about like $15, I think, or $18 a piece. So it is on the pricier side, especially for Target. Next, I used up the Skintimate Raspberry Rain Moisturizing Shave Gel. I liked this. Next, I used up the Milk Makeup Vegan Milk Cleanser. I love this stuff. Keep it in my shower. Next, I don't know if I put all of these in here, but the Bath & Body Works Pineapple Prosecco Gentle Foaming Hand Soap. Love this. I have so many back stocks in just, not this scent specifically, but just in general. This was from last time. I finally got the bottle for my Function of Beauty from the website shampoo that my boyfriend had been using. Next, I don't think these are all of them, but the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, and this stays in my travel stuff. Next is the Pretty as a Peach Moisturizing Body Wash from Bath & Body Works. I use up a moisturizing body wash a lot quicker than just a regular body wash because I use a different body wash for that. Next is the Bath & Body Works Midnight Pomegranate Triple Moisture Body Cream. This one is passed. A few more in here. The Paris Amore, I loved this one. The Dark Kiss, which honestly that's full, which is disappointing. The Apple Blossom and Lavender. This I'd gotten for free or in some kind of box. Human and Kind Body Souffle. That one's pretty full as well. Carried Away, this is pretty empty. One of my favorite scents, but I don't think they have currently. Sweet Escape, this was a good one. Not Strawberry Picnic. I don't think they've come back with that. Mad About You, I like this scent as well, but I don't think they've come back with that in a while. Pearberry, like this. They recently came out with the spray for that. Came back. Tahiti Island Dream, which I replaced with my new one. And Maui Hibiscus Beach. Also, the Amazing Body Cream and Champagne Toast. I don't think they've had that in a body one in a while. Wild Honeysuckle, which was my cousin's favorite for a while. And the Winter Candy Apple, which I really like. In terms of foaming hand soaps from Bath & Body Works, we also have Starfruit Sangria, which I didn't realize that was a hand soap because I was burning the candle yesterday. Frosted Cranberry, I really like that, especially in the plug-in. We've also got the Carried Away shower gel, which I've had for years and years and years, but those stay. We also have the Peach Bellini, which I also love in the candle hand soap. And this was a unique one that they haven't had back, the Ginger and Cardamom Olive Oil Body Cream. Okay, we also have the Jergens Weightless Weight Skin Moisturizer, which I love this, but they're getting hard to find. I think they're getting discontinued. The La Roche-Posay Toleraine Double Repair Face Moisturizer. As you can see, I cut this open, SPF 30, love that stuff. This also took me a couple years to use up. The 11 Australia Miracle Hair Treatment. I like this, but I don't know. I don't know that it's my favorite ever, but it was a really nice leave-in moisturizer. Next is the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This is also part of my travel stuff. The Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3, because I used up the K18 one, the little mini one. So K18 is more expensive, but I think people like K18 better. Next, this had to be tossed. I really like this. This is the second time I got this. The Nubian Heritage Olive Oil and Green Tea Hand Cream. I just like the scent on that. It's funny, I like tea scents, but I don't actually like real tea. The Tower 28 SOS Daily Rescue Facial Spray. I love this stuff, and I have repurchased it. I'm working through another one. Another of the Ultra Repair Travel samples. Travel of the Olaplex Conditioner. and the Redken Acidic Bonding Treatment Leave-In Treatment, which I really like that shampoo and conditioner. It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. I used that for years and years. That was my holy grail. Another of the Aveeno. We also have a travel size Aveeno Positively Nourishing Body Wash. We have the travel sample of the Way Leave-In Conditioner, which I love this stuff. That is my holy grail spray. The Olaplex shampoo travel size. I depotted, I believe, my Sigma lip mask in here. Yes, I love that lip mask, which you can actually see the container right here as I throw it. The travel sample of the Y Salmon Paris. I have the full size, love this. Another one of the Estee Lauder Little Black Primer. I love this more as a top coat. The Crest 3D White travel size. One of my favorite toothpaste. I finished this up, which takes me a long time to finish up brow products, but the Precisely My Brow by Benefit in the shade number 1. The John Frieda Frizz Ease Extra Strength Serum. I have the Skinny Serum, but I got this as a sample, and I used it while traveling. We also have, this was in my purse, the Acqua di Gioia Giorgio Armani perfume. Next we have this Foria Sex Oil with CBD. I use that for my pelvic pain. This had dried up, the Tarte Eye Jewels glitter liner, which I did really like because it comes with the metallic and then also the glitter. This Benefit Bad Gal Bang was completely dried up the first time I tried using it. The Maybelline Waterproof, what is this? Lash Discovery, which I don't know, I'm finding the formula is a little just too dry for me, just from the jump. Now, the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, which I do think I liked. I used up another one of my cuticle oils that I made up. The Fresh Sugar Lip Treatment, the original. Getting rid of the Beauty Secrets cuticle oil because it's just turned bad. I got this for free actually from work for drag makeup, but the Wet n Wild Mega Volume Mascara I did not like, so I'm just tossing that. This Milani Liquid Eye Metallic Eyeliner Pencil did dry up on me as well. I think the metallics just dry up quicker, and I've had them for a while. But I can normally revive an eye pencil like that. And then the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, I did get a bigger size. This was like the small size. Really, really love that stuff. I use it every time I wear makeup. So yeah, today I am wearing the Alice in Wonderland by Sigma. I'm really liking Sigma's makeup. So some of the blues and greens there. And then for my lip, I have the Ofra Liquid Lipstick in Manila, which is one of my perfect nudes, I think. Have my hair done, this necklace, I forget where I got this shirt I got from Target. So yeah, I'm gonna go turn my AC back on here, but hopefully I'll get this edited and posted quickly. Happy to be back. And I actually just used this camera to film my friend's wedding, which was just a 10-minute ceremony. So just deleted those files, so fingers crossed, knock on wood, that she actually ended up getting the ones I uploaded for her. But anyways, I hope you guys are all doing well, and until next time, bye everyone.